The bird, nope.
So for dinner, we've been living here for about a little over a year, and we love it here. The first time we looked in on Jamie and Ben, they were drawing up plans for a new
They're so young and they're married already.
We have to choose between.
He doesn't look more than 18. I know he's more than that, but he doesn't look more than 18.
It's been 15 months, and now their project is complete.
Oh, they got
We're so
garage.
excited that we built the garage, and now that it's winter again, it's been so nice to kind of have to scrape cars and have the cars be kind of warm when we get into them.
We knew building a garage was going to be a little expensive, but when we got the first estimate, it was close to 30. We got
He's not doing much of anything, is he?
They found someone
He's doing the group.
are really happy that we didn't just
Maybe.
want one car. They're also happy with the big change they made inside.
No.
We decided to add the fireplace in because the space before was just really ugly. It's great, fits perfectly with the space.
The whole thing looks
I
like it was
forgot
made
he's
for
doing
our
the
house.
fish sure if it's
They now have a second dog and are expecting another addition. Our Diamond's pregnant. Actually, I'm due any day with the little girl. And
They would've
we had
got
so much
another.
fun decorating the nursery. This room was just a guest room. I stenciled the wall and got new furniture. Then look at the clothes my sister got us.
One thing I really love about this house is it's got room to grow, and you know, maybe we could have a couple more.
We'll see, but we can definitely
He's
see.
trying. He's really unclear on the concept here. Can't eat through glass.
There is one tiny bathroom with three
Do you think it's a fish or is it the stuff in there?
Dad's house, hon.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm like, Lindsay's out, go in.
But it wasn't until he found the perfect fixer-upper that things got really out of hand.
There were times when I thought this project will never end.
Closed captioning of this program is brought to you in part by The Source, the new Samsung Galaxy S4 Super. Lets you share video with play. The Source. I want that.
Switch to Swiffer Sweeper, and you'll dump your old brown. But don't worry, you'll find someone else.
That's the end of the chair. See, he tries to get in. He tries to step up in there. He's like, what is wrong with this? I see it, but I can't.
Contact to clean 50% more than a broom. It's a difference you can feel. Swiffer gives cleaning.
No matter where you go, sweetheart, it ain't happening.
Europe, an evolution in sleep comfort. With innovative breathable memory foam springs, OptiSprings give the support of spring technology and demonstrates our OptiSpring mattresses leave you
Hi, how are you?
and fully supported for a deeper, healthier sleep. Better sleep starts at Sleep Country, and for a limited time, get $200 towards any OptiSpring mattress, any model, any size. Visit Sleep Country today.
And if I don't, what do you
It's
do?
time to change the
Huh?
way we
What do you
clean.
do?
It's time to free ourselves from the smell of bleach and welcome new clean with no chemical residue. New Lysol Power and Free has more cleaning power than bleach. How? The secret is the hydrogen peroxide
Oh.
formula. It attacks tough stains.
What are you on about? I thought you were talking about the bird, man, so I couldn't figure out what you were talking about. Whoops. Oh, he found an edge. Not long. You're gonna. Well, now what? I think I'm